Here comes yet another pixel based custom ROM is available. There are many custom ROMs available based on pixel, basically pixel experience, etc. And here is one another named as FireDroid. A lot of Droid custom ROMs, a lot of custom ROMs literally similar are available, and this one is one of those custom ROMs which is available for few of the devices I found, the previous update, this update. So I thought I shall start making video on this one too. This is FireDroid as expectedly based on Android 13. Could get also Android 14, of course. Which are the things, differences, similarities? We're going to talk about all of those things in this video. Stay tuned. First is the settings UI is one of the main highlights of this custom ROM. If you talk about this FireDroid UI, FireDroid custom ROM consists of this kind of settings UI, and this settings UI according to me is one of the best because I found this kind of settings UI was available in Banana Droid also, and I literally loved this one. This is just so amazing. This also brings you Android 14 style Android 14 style wallpapers and style section where we have new UI, new color pickers, etc, which you can simply explore a lot after installing this thing. We have the option for app grid, etc. By the way, it is not having the modded pixel launcher, so app grids are literally the same, the ones which you have by default in pixel launcher. We also have the option to customize the clock color, clock size, etc. Same kind of options in wallpapers and styles, but the UI is now adapted to Android 14 style. So this is also one of the things which is available in FireDroid and kind of really good, which you might love. Including this one, if I move on to the quick settings panel, it also brings you the light quick settings panel. So if you are one of the users who want to use this kind of quick settings panel, because by default in pixel devices or pixel based custom ROMs, we have the dark quick settings panel. It doesn't matter if you use the light mode or dark mode, but in this case, if you use the light mode, you will see the light quick settings panel. Also the separate Wi-Fi and mobile data tiles are also available, so yes, that's also one of the things. This custom brings you pixel launcher by default. I mean, if you want to install another custom launcher, you can do that very easily by installing some Magisk modules, kernel SU modules, or even by not rooting your device by installing Nova launcher, etc. But by default you have pixel launcher. Pixel launcher is one of the best launchers, by the way. That's quite underrated. If you move on to the Google Photos, you have the support for the unlimited photos and videos backup at no charge, and also with the original quality, which simply spoof your device to a pixel device. So that's also one of the best things available in this custom ROM. So if you're one of the users who always use Google Photos backup, then this is here for you. One of the things which is quite good in this one is the reticker notification option, as this custom ROM is not having major customizations for you, major features for you, but some of them are quite good, including this reticker notifications, which is a replacement of heads up notification, and this is one of the things which is quite good, and this option is available in the notification section. Also, if you move on to the battery section, you will see the battery's usage battery usage since full charge. Instead of that battery usage graph from Google, it's looking like AOSP graph, which looks good. And the new battery usage graph from Google on Pixel devices is just not so user friendly, I guess, but this one is quite good. In security section, face lock support, fingerprint unlock support, everything is available. It's looking perfectly fine. Although it is not having the app locker available, and if you are one of the user which you want to install app locker, want to use app locker on a device, you can't use that, unfortunately. It's not available by default. For that, you can use any other launcher, which consists of app locker. Other options are basically same. And status bar, one thing what I found here is in the system icons that irrespective of which device you're using, you will see the VoLTE and Wi-Fi icons available. If your SIM card, if you're having SIM card installed on a device which supports VoLTE and Wi-Fi, then you have the option to enable or disable the icon, which is not available in the Pixel devices by default. Other things as expectedly, network traffic monitor, battery options, buttons customizations, which includes which gestures, 3-finger screenshot, etc, everything is available. That's good, and these are the things available. This is also one of the custom ROMs which you can try out if you want to. If you want to install this thing, link is available in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe the channel.